No one's opinion matters. This is the best steak marinade you will have in your entire life. Don't fuck it up. Grab a blender and listen to me. I promise you this is the best thing you'll ever fucking have. Half a cup of honey. Half a cup of soy sauce. This is gonna sound weird, but fucking trust me. 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. But I'm allergic to peanuts. Just eat it and stab yourself with the EpiPen. A shot of olive oil. A shot of apple cider vinegar. 2 cloves of garlic. A small piece of ginger, about half the size of your thumb, which is the full size of your... Now you fucking blend it. If you haven't tried any of my recipes before, try this. It will blow your little fucking mind. You're gonna grab a piece of flank steak. I don't really like flank steak. No one gives a fuck. Grab a fork and you're just gonna lightly poke some fucking holes in it. When you cut this, you're gonna cut it against the line, not with the line, or else it'll be chewy as fuck. Dump the sauce onto the fucking steak. You can also just put this in a plastic bag. You have to let this marinate for at least 1 day. But if you let this marinate for 3 days, it will be fucking incredible. I would recommend making this on the fucking barbecue, but if not, the oven works too. I would just salt it before you fucking cook it.